Today I'm in Las Vegas. I love it.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. Cause I don't wanna waste my time. Same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do. Just let me get over you. Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. Cause I don't wanna waste my time, no. I don't wanna waste my time, no.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in Las Vegas. I'm in the Tropicana Las Vegas Hotel. I'm here for the weekend and I'd like to take you guys along with me, and I'll probably give you a tour of this property, okay?
I know I'm acting stupid, but being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish. I feel so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're
Currently on my way to Excalibur for brunch or lunch or whatever. That's the Tropicana behind me.
I think we're the wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, now, trip. Oh, flick the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our
Hey guys, so like I said earlier, I'm at the Tropicana Las Vegas here for the weekend, and so I'd just like to show you my room. This is the entrance door and you have a closet just as you work in. And a tub with a shower. Yeah, you have the toilet. Then we come over to the room. So it's just a regular sized room. Yeah, I actually booked this trip since last year. It was like a package from Hilton where I paid like 150 for 3 nights. Yeah, I don't know if that deal was so good honestly, because seeing the room is not like the best and probably the same price if I had booked it direct. I don't really know. So yeah, but because I did that deal, I'm required to go for a tour later today. I'll be taking you guys along with me. Like the hotel, it's a resort, so there's swimming pool outside. I've not gone to that part of the hotel. When I go, I'll show you. But the hotel is located in the Las Vegas Strip. We can easily just walk into that other hotel. So I literally just came back from Excalibur where I went to eat. There are like different escalators leading to different hotels, so it's a nice location to be. Yeah, but I'll take you guys along to see what else I end up doing. Guys, I just finished my tour. Like, so I actually thought it was going to be a tour, but it's not a tour. It was a timeshare. They're trying to force me to buy 18 grand vacation property, but girl has no money. On my way for dinner. It's really chilly in Las Vegas. I dressed cute and all, but covered it up with jacket because of the weather. I'm just going to Olive Garden to eat pasta. Hey, $19. I want I want $50. Should I play a game or should I just take my $50 and be going? So guys, I just finished playing my first casino whatever, and one lesson that I get: never again. I used just $20. I was just pressing rubbish because I don't know what these machines do. From $3 I got for $5. I have put it again. Guess what I have now? 54 cents. My currently at the MGM. So is this an hotel? The green building. So guys, I just like to show you around the pool area. Hey guys, I'm about to go to the pool, so come along with me. But I'm going to the pool. That's the Tropicana pool. These are reserved. There's a jacuzzi behind them.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise.
Hello guys, this is my last day in Las Vegas. My flight is by 10 p.m. I've checked out already, so I'm just going to stay in the hotel where leave here by 7 p.m. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed my vlog. It was a calming trip. Yeah, I was in Vegas, but not like I partied or anything. Small doses of getaways reset me. See you in my next vlog. Bye.
In life, oh, I want you.